Ubah Prestone tensong lapan pau baka high speed corridor project kan sa Pynkylla ke Meghalaya kum ka main transit state kaman kentio kayok kakot. Halur kan ke expressway ule tu baya ka package beningkong bat baar radak kot tanda bat kakam bat pen bejaka haka than ribhoi kladap. Kan bahai is Gentle Hills pat kajing karan kadang yad. Kani kesurok kan longru kum ka economic corridor kaman penduna bahai ke portlet perwan kabala banduna nakalai kenta kabaju shimpor mentah. Nalur kani uliya thu bag sarkar kelarai benchnai ke folien ne kesurok na dok lat yam la ni lat roy hru shillong leng bag NHIDCL. Haga jok por ke jing thmu benchnai flyover na rilbong shabarik point la pensange no bad haga jaka jongka ke sarkar kan chnano de kesurok folien hadin ke jing ajing mut de ki borshipai ka 101 area namar ke jing shingan. Mentah ke jingnya jurip bag jing ya sor jamin halo kene kesurok folien kerang ya cekamat ban pen kre ya ke detail project report.
Package one, package two tenders has been already invited, and Ribhoi district, as I said to you, the land is more or less finalized. The alignment has been finalized. Even Khasi Hills and West Jati Hills. Now we do have some portions in East Jati Hills, which is the discussion is on. But let me tell you, when we mention about the expressway, you understand, instead of traveling 3 hours, 1.5 hours, it is completely shortened. So that itself, you understand how many hours we save. Number two, this is the also the economic corridor, which I personally feel if we completed this project, the flow, because Meghalaya is the main transit state. So ultimately, as I said to you, the flow of the traffic value will increase, and also the economic activities, I'm very sure, will increase vehemently.